Hello everyone, welcome to the new lecture on the subject of marketing and salesmanship. Here we are discussing chapter number 4, recent trends in marketing. In the last chapter we have discussed about the digital marketing and green marketing. Now in this lecture we will see the first concept, that is the recent trend, niche marketing. So first understand what is meant by niche marketing. Niche marketing means concentrating marketing efforts towards a small but specific and well defined market segment. Niche marketing focuses on a unique target market. Second paragraph, niche marketing is challenging all marketing efforts towards one well defined segment of the population. Niche market does not mean a small market, it means a market with a social need. Niche marketing is also called micro marketing. So, in these two paragraphs, you must have understood that niche marketing is about selecting a target market and then using the unique marketing strategy to focus on that target market. Next is importance of niche marketing. So before understanding what are the importance, let's understand what is meant by niche. So here the word niche basically means creating a special segment, or we can say that in every market there are various factors or various things that are exist in that market, but while doing marketing we cannot focus or we cannot target all these things or all these factors at the same time. That is why we have to create a segment. So the first importance is that niche marketing often focuses on market segments that are poorly targeted or not targeted at all. Second, marketers that create a well defined marketing strategy and execute a campaign that appeals to this niche have high chance of increased return on investment. Number 3, when an organization identifies a market segment that is previously unserved, the competition is less or virtually non-existent. Niche usually go on targeted because smaller companies are not aware of their existence and companies find them too small to be bothered about them. Companies that target these niche markets will have the first mover advantage and will be in a better position against new competitors. Let's see what are the advantages of niche marketing. Marketing to one niche is much easier than to apply marketing to the broader market, since a niche has much more in common, such as needs, wants, and preferences. Second, there may be fewer competition. Third, it can be easier for firms to target just one type of customer. A small firm may be able to match the cost of larger rivals in niche market. And last, customer tends to be more loyal. Next, we will see disadvantages of niche marketing. When a marketer directs the marketing efforts towards a niche, it is much easier to convince them to buy. However, there should be enough potential buyers in the niche to make marketing to them viable. Second, risk of over dependence on a single product or market. And third, likely to attract competition if successful. Next, we will see the concept of e-marketing. So, first, see what is the meaning and definition of e-marketing. E-marketing or electronic marketing refers to the application of marketing principles and techniques through electronic media and more specially the internet. The term e marketing, internet marketing, and online marketing are frequently used interchangeably and are often considered to be synonymous. E marketing is the process of marketing a brand using the internet. It includes both the direct response marketing and indirect marketing elements and uses a range of technologies to help connect businesses to their customers. Let's see what are the advantages of e marketing. Number one, fast availability of information, inexpensive medium of communication, movement from local to global is easy, measurability, specific targeting. It allows you to build relationships, allows an organization to overcome distance barriers. Next, limitations of e marketing. Number one, high level of competition. It can reach only to those who have access to internet. It is a fast changing medium. Number 4, the consumer is unable to physically feel or try on the product, which can be limitation for certain goods.